Uh, Hello students, today's our topic is adjoint of the matrix. What is the meaning of adjoint of the matrix? Means if we have any square matrix means number of columns and number of rows are to be equal. Like 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, -1, 0 and 1. Clear? That is a square matrix. Means adjoint of A will be is equal to Aij and its transpose. What is the meaning of Aij? That is the cofactor of every element of matrix. Clear? मतलब adjoint of A अगर फाइंड आउट करना चाहते हैं तो मीनिंग every element of the matrix will be replaced by its cofactor. उसके बाद जो हमारे को मैट्रिक्स मिलेगा we will do its transpose. दोनों प्रोसेसिंग के बाद जो हमारे को रिजल्ट मिलेगा that will be the adjoint of A. Means adjoint of the matrix के लिए we have to do two steps. Number 1, replace every element Aij of matrix by its cofactor, that is Aij. यानी every element will be replaced by its cofactor. And the second step is transpose of matrix so obtained. By the result of these two mutual actions, we will get the adjoint of A. I think we have to do two steps. First, replace every element by its cofactors and transpose of the matrix so formed. By the two steps, we will get adjoint of A. Okay students, now we are taking an example. Now take an example like A is equal to 2, 1, 3, 4. Always remember adjoint of A will be is equal to Aij and its transpose. Clear? So first of all, I will find cofactors of every element. A11. So A11 means this and this. What is here? Cofactors मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में माइनस और cofactors के बारे में एक्सप्लेन किया था. इसका फाइंड आउट करना है तो this row, this column will be deleted. That will be the 4. And the sum of these two elements is even. Multiply this with plus sign. Clear? Now A12 this row, this column, and that is to be 3. This दोनों का सम क्या है? Odd. There will be minus. Clear? A21 this position, this and this row will be finished. That will be 1. Sum 2 plus 1 3. That is a odd. Odd means minus. साइन के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है उस पर्टिकुलर वैल्यूज को. क्लियर? A22 what is this? A22 that is only 2. Sum is even, multiply by plus sign. Clear? Now adjoint of A is equal to, जो भी कोफैक्टर्स आए उनको अपनी स्पेसिफाइड पोजीशंस पर पहले राइट अप क्लियर. That is 4 minus 3 minus 1, 2 and its transpose. Clear? So the adjoint of A is equal to, इसका transpose कर दो. Transpose means rows will convert it into the column. That is 4, minus 3, minus 1 and 2. Clear? So I took the examples of square matrix of second orders, so means that will be the adjoint of the matrix this. Clear, students? Now singular matrix and to the non-singular matrix. What is the singular matrix? A matrix having determinant 0 is called as a singular matrix. Means for the singular matrix the determinant is 0, like A 2 1 2 1. Clear? So that is determinant हमारे पास क्या होगा? The determinant of A is this product minus this product. 2 ones are 2 minus 2 ones are 2. The determinant is 0. Clear? So that is a singular matrix whose determinant is 0. Non-singular matrix, non-singular बेटा जिसका determinant will not be 0 is called as a non-singular matrix. Like the matrix whose determinant is not equal to 0. Like A is any square matrix like 1, 2, 3, 4. The determinant down product 1 4s are 4 minus upper product 3 2s are 6. That is minus 2 and minus 2 is not equal to 0. So if the determinant is not 0, so that is called as a non-singular matrix. Now the properties of the adjoint of the matrix. If A is any matrix that is a square matrix, clear? Then the first property is matrix A, the product of A matrix and the adjoint of A will be is equal to adjoint of the matrix A into the A matrix will be is equal to its determinant of the given matrix will be equal to unit matrix or the identity matrix of order n. And the second is if we take the determinant of adjoint of the matrix A, that will be is equal to determinant of A power n minus 1. What is the meaning of n? N means the order of the matrix. If that is of order 2, that will be 2 minus 1. If that is a square matrix of order 3 by 3, that will be 3 minus 1. Clear? Then the adjoint of the matrix will be is equal to determinant power n minus 2 into A matrix. Clear? Now if we take the adjoint of transpose of A, that will be equal to adjoint of A of transpose. Clear? Now the adjoint of A into B will be is equal to adjoint of B into the adjoint of A. So these are the properties of the adjoint of the matrix on the basis of which we are going to solve some sums. Now if A is a matrix like 5 3 minus 2 and minus 2, then we have to verify A into the adjoint of A is equal to the adjoint of A multiplied by given matrix is equal to determinant of the matrix into unit matrix of order 2 by 2. Step by step we are going to solve the question. Now first of all we have to find the adjoint of A. For the adjoint we have to find cofactors of every element. Now A 1 1, that will be this and this minus 2 equal to minus 2. ठीक? A 1 2 is equal to minus this and this, that will be 3 and equal to minus 3. Clear? Now a 2 1, this and this, that is minus 2, that will be plus 2. Clear? If the sum of I and j is to be the odd, we have to put negative sign, then multiply this negative sign with remaining minus. Clear? Now a 2 2, that is this with 5. Clear? Now the adjoint of a is equal to, putting all the cofactors here, minus 2 minus 3 2 and 5, and its transpose will be is equal to minus 2 minus 3 2 and 5. Clear? Now step number 1, product of a with its adjoint. Clear? So a into adjoint of a. What is a matrix? 5 minus 2 3 minus 2 into adjoint this minus 2 minus 3 2 and 5. 5 into this minus 10 minus 2 this plus 6. 5 into 2 10 minus 2 this minus 10. Clear? 3 into this minus 6 minus 2 minus 3 plus 6. Clear? 3 into 2, that is 6 minus 2 this minus 10. Clear? That will be equal to this into this minus this, solve this करेंगे तो minus 4, this is 0, 6 minus 6 0, 6 minus 10 minus this. Clear? Taking minus 4 as a common, so that will be 1 0 0 1. Clear? Now adjoint of a into a, this step adjoint की वैल्यू 1 कितनी है बेटा? minus 2 minus 3 2 and 5 and matrix 5 3 minus 2 minus 2, that will be minus 2 into 5 minus 10, 2 into 3 plus 6, minus 2 into minus 2 4, 2 into this minus 4. Clear? Minus 3 into this minus 15, 5 into 3 plus 15, minus 3 into minus 2 6, 5 into this minus 10, that will be, इसको सोल्व करेंगे तो minus 4, this 0, solve करो 0, solve करो minus 4, taking minus 4 as a common. Here will be 1 0 0 1. Clear? That is the adjoint. अच्छा, इसी के साथ मैं a का डिटर्मिनेंट भी कैलकुलेट कर रहा हूं बेटा. a is a 2 by 2 order and its determinant will be directly can be solved this minus this. इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो, that will be minus 10 minus this into this minus 6. So minus 10 plus 6, that will be minus 4. So means determinant of a equal to minus 4. Clear? Now third step, that is determinant of a into I2. What is the determinant of a? That is minus 4. I2, that is 1 0 0 1. तो यही तो है हमारे पास, यही सोल्व करके हमारे पास ये आया और यही सोल्व करके हमारे पास ये आया. Clear? Means all the steps and all the terms are to be the verified. Clear beta? Now the given matrix is A is equal to this, and we have to show that adjoint of A is equal to 3 into transpose of A. Clear? Now what is A11? A11, that will be this and this will be deleted. है क्या 1 minus 2 and 1. A12 1 2, that is this, and this row, this column will be this 2 2 minus 2 and 1. Clear? A13, this and this will be this, finished 2 2 1 minus 2. A21, that will be this and this will be finished, minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 and 1. Now A22 will be like this, and you will get only this and this will be finished, minus 1 minus 2 2 and 1. Clear? A23, what will be A23? Like this, और ये column और ये row will be deleted, and we will get here minus 1 minus 2 2 and minus 2. Clear? Now A31 will be this deleted and this deleted. We will get here minus 2 1 and minus 2. Clear? And A32 this and this will be deleted. We will get here minus 1 2 minus 2 and minus 2. Clear? And last is A33 will be here minus 1 2 minus 2 and 1. Clear? मैंने सारे डिटर्मिनेंट्स तैयार कर दिए. अब जस्ट आई हैव टू पुट, इवन है तो पॉजिटिव साइन, ऑड है तो नेगेटिव साइन. इवन प्लस ऑड नेगेटिव, इवन प्लस ऑड नेगेटिव, इवन प्लस ऑड नेगेटिव and even plus. Clear? Now this 1 minus 2 to the 4, that will be minus 3, that is minus ये वाला. Clear? This into this 2 plus 4 minus 4 minus 2 minus this into this minus 2. Clear? Minus 4. Now this into this minus 1 plus 4 minus this into this 2 plus 4. Now this into this minus plus 2, this into this 2 plus 4, and here this into this minus 1 plus 4. Clear? Solving this, I will get here only minus 3. Here I will get minus 6. Here minus 6. Here plus 6. here 3, here -6, here 6. Here I will get -6 and here I will get +3. Clear? Now adjoint of A will be सभी कोफैक्टर्स को अपने स्पेसिफाइड पोजीशंस पर प्लेस आउट करते हैं बेटा. दैट इज -3, -6, -6, 6, 3, -6, 6, -6 and 3. Its transpose will be equal to -3, -6, -6, 6, 3, -6, 6, -6 and 3. Clear? Now that will be is equal to, that is the condition number 1. That is your left hand side. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड सोल्व कर लिया बेटा हमने. अब हम सोल्व करते हैं इसकी राइट हैंड साइड. एंड द राइट हैंड साइड इज लाइक 3A ट्रांसपोज. क्लियर? एंड व्हाट इज 3A ट्रांसपोज? तो A ट्रांसपोज के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल डू राइट हियर A matrix. What is A matrix? -1, -2, -2, 2, 1, -2, 2, -2 and 1. Clear? Transpose will be -1, -2, -2, 2, 1, -2, 2, -2 and 1. Multiply 3 with every element of this matrix. Clear? So that is the right hand side will be 3 into this -3, 6, 6, -6, -6. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja this -6 and this 3. That is the condition number 2. So I think this matrix and this results both are to be the same. So we can say left hand side is equal to right hand side. That is the complete solution of the question.